Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use scenario function in LibreOffice Calc. Now I have this thing right here, and what I want to do is basically try to create here like weight and record their January weight, February, and so on and so forth. Now to do that, I'm just going to change this one to January just like so, and then I'm going to highlight everything here, click the tools, and then we're going to look for scenario here. Now from this point forward, I'm going to change this to January 2025, uncheck all these except this one. Now for the display border, we're gonna add some color to it. So let's say yellow is the start. Now I can hit OK, and you can see that now January is there. Now let's go ahead and make some changes to February. Now let's say for February, John is now 80 kilogram. For Jess, he is or she is now 65 kilogram. For John, he's now somewhere around let's say 76 or 75 kilogram, depends. All right, now once that's done, I'm gonna highlight it once again, repeat the same steps, click scenarios here, and then put here Feb 2025, uncheck these two, select a color, say this, hit OK, and there you go. So now if I'm going to click this, you can see that both of the dates or the data that I have entered are now here. So yeah, from this point forward, you can then go ahead and proceed and repeat the same steps until you have added or until you add all of the necessary information that you're looking for. And yep, that's how you're going to do it. I hope this video helps you out, everybody.